Setting up a project can be one of the most time-consuming aspects of installation testing. When you don't have all the information before you show up on site, the 1670 series multifunction tester makes it easy for you. Let's take a look at how you can set up a project right on the multifunction installation tester with all the site descriptors and metadata that you will need for reporting and certificates. Start by pressing the menu button and then navigate to Project Management. If you have previous projects that you've set up, you'll see them here, or you can set up a new project via the Add Project function. Here you can enter a unique code to identify the project, a project name, and then we can select the type of report that we need and create the project. We can add additional details about our client or site, or we can also add this later in TrueTest if we don't have time now. Jumping to adding distribution boards to our project, select Distribution Boards and use the Add function to fill them in. Once again, we're able to add a unique code for this particular distribution board, a name, and then we can select our system type and the wiring type, as well as additional metadata about the distribution board, like the type of RCDs, conductors, or the number of points. You can continue setting up your site by adding circuits within the distribution board, including any details you want to at this point. You can also add them later by editing the project details or in TrueTest. From here, we can save our project, and then we'll see that project show up on the left-hand side right here. If we click into that, we'll see the distribution board we set up, and if we click into our distribution board, we'll see the circuits we set up. And we can still add additional circuits or make edits to existing circuits as necessary. Now that our project is set up, we're ready to take some measurements. To the right of our circuit list here, we have columns for each of the measurements we can perform. We'll do a live-to-live insulation measurement as an example. Press Test to enter into the measurement function and then Test again to begin. Once the measurement is complete, you'll see here that we're presented with a pass-fail result on the upper right. And if we hit Save, the measurement results will populate the testing table. We'll do that again using an R1 plus R2 continuity check without anything plugged in, so you can see what a failed result looks like. On the upper right here, we're presented with a visual fail indicator, and when we hit Save, we can also see that our measurement failed, or was outside of the limits that were set for that measurement. Once we've run all the tests we want to, you can simply transfer that data over to TrueTest software to generate our reports and certificates. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out fluke.com.